Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva templates effectively. So here we are at the home page of Canva, and from here you can browse through different templates that are displayed here. So you can just choose a design type. So you can choose from YouTube thumbnail to Instagram story, presentation, social media, video, whichever you'd like. Just choose one and it will take you to this create a design page, and from here you can choose which dimensions you want to be working with. So let's just choose Instagram post, and here it brings us to our workspace. From your workspace, head on over to your left panel and you can go to your design, and in the search bar you can type in specific keywords for you to explore a lot of templates that are available. From here you can customize text and images. You can replace the placeholder text and images with your own content. You can also change colors and fonts. So you can make adjustments to fonts, colors, and layouts to match. You can even mix and match your templates. So while we're working with this one, maybe there's something that you would like to make this a lot more interesting. So what you can do is go back to your designs page and you can pull up something from probably this page. Now you do not want to replace your page, but what you'd like to do is just add a new page. And what you can do is just probably pull this image from this page onto the page that we are actually working from. So you can either drag and bring it up there, or you can select Command C to copy and Command V to paste, and it will paste it in the right position as where it is in the original page. Now you can move it and put it wherever you want. You can change the angle of it. You can even duplicate. Now what you can do to keep it in place is to hold on Shift and the arrow key, and you move it alongside the text, and from here you can just change the angle so that it mirrors what's on the first side. Once your design is done, your design is there for you to access again whenever you want. One thing to note is that your design automatically saves as you go about working. As long as you're working while your device is on Wi-Fi or on the internet, your work will be automatically saving. To confirm, you can just go to this cloud icon and it says all changes saved. Also, you can go to files to see that it is saved, and the same message is said right there. So yeah, it is a very easy workaround while working in Canva. This helps to speed up the design process while giving you professional looking results. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.